Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by lining up your materials so editing is fast and accurate. Import the video and your chosen music, then drag video to the primary track and music to a separate audio track. This prevents accidental cuts. Once done, switch on Waveform View. This shows beats as spikes, and zoom into the timeline to 1/4 or 1/8 resolution for precise alignment. Make small trims now. You'll refine beats later, so aim for a close match, not perfection. Now you focus on matching visual actions to musical beats. First, scrub the audio and find strong peaks. Kick or snare hits work best as anchor points. Place a marker there, then locate the corresponding visual action and nudge the clip so that the action starts on the beat. Once aligned, split the audio into sections to adjust tempo-based offsets. This lets you shift segments without losing earlier sync. Also, add short stutters or one-frame cuts to audition timing rapidly during playback. Finish by smoothing and fixing small issues so your sync feels natural. Apply tiny crossfades to audio edits to remove clicks and normalize levels around -6 dB for headroom. If parts are off by tempo, gently stretch or speed ramp clips. Keep changes under 10% to avoid artifacts. Once done, play the whole sequence to confirm consistency. If things go wrong, mute or solo troublesome tracks, recheck markers, and re-import the music.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.